Good morning, everybody. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. Crypto Whiskey here. We are sitting in December 27th. Tuesday morning, the markets were closed yesterday, so we're about to get right into it. First stop, we're going to look at the SPY. Now, we've got some big fluctuations going on there in futures, but I have a strong feeling they are headed down after this little pop in pre market. So, what I'm looking for is if what we had last week really, if a break of 385.50 on the SPY, and then we're going to want to take call options up to 392. That's probably longer. You can hold that throughout the week. If you get a breakdown below 379.70 really, I would be expecting our next stop to be 375 and 370. Longer term big down is 355. That's where I'm looking at there. So we want to do calls above that 385.50 range, and we want to do puts below 379.70. That's our first one. And then what I've been calling, we called this out last week and it started making money, and now it's just, if you're still in these puts, you are banging money right now. Tesla is really just stepping off a cliff. So targets for Tesla now, it's showing pre-market that it opens up at 116 from the 123 close we had last week. That's pretty amazing. But it did bounce off of 121. This is just futures. Let's see what happens when the market opens. But if it opens below 121, unless it immediately returns, I don't see why we're not taking puts all the way down to $100 to start. $100, then 76. These are longer term plays. Buy you some time. If the thing gets some traction and let's say you break above 126.50, then we're going to take call options up to 134.85 and ultimately 154. But it's really looking bad to the downside right now. And I'll pull up one more chart just to give you an idea. It's looking pretty rough. This is Tesla on the daily right here. There's our orange line right there. That's our pre-market price. There's no reason that we don't go down and test this $100 range. This little cluster right here, the only thing that they've got hanging on. I mean, ultimately, $91 not out of the question in a shorter time frame. But I feel like we're going to see this 63.82 sooner than not before Tesla gets a major bounce. So let's remember that. Let's take a real hard look at Tesla. If you're not already in them, you want to try to get in them and buy you some time. Don't panic if we start getting little bounces. I mean, when you're down that much on Tesla, you can easily bounce right back up. So let's the market open, assess the situation, get the direction of the flow of this market today. And there you have it. Those are the two majors that we're watching. Don't forget to sign up to my Discord. Dozens and dozens of other trade setups by me and two other traders. Join 157 other people who are making bank in my Discord right now. Thanks, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.